Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Albert account and all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
To delete your account from Albert, you have to click on albert.com. This link opens Albert's page and log into your account. After logging in, go to the saying your Albert account option. After that, simply tap on your profile tab on your account. Then navigate to the hamburger menu at the top left corner and tap on Help Center. Now locate the subscription feature and click on Close My Account. It will then ask you to confirm the closing of your account and approve it. So this is how you delete your Albert account. Now know that deleting your account is a permanent process and it is not reversible. And you are done. Method 2. How to cancel your Albert subscription account via text message. If you want to simply cancel your Albert subscription account through a text message, first, you have to log into your Albert account on the app on your device. Then, head to the help option in your account where you will find Contact Support and select that. Then you have to send a text message to 639 to 37. In the message you just need to type Cancel Genius and follow the prompts and you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Albert account. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.